Okay, so this one, puzzle 4, is pretty much the exact same as puzzle 5, sorry. This one, puzzle 5, is pretty much the exact same as puzzle 4, which is really similar to puzzle 3 as well. I'm just throwing this in here just in case for some reason you kind of got lost and are like, what is going on? And you didn't really understand how to do this counter pattern with the velocity thing. So this program makes a bubble rise up in the water. Can you make it get faster as it rises? So if we hit run, we can see that the bubble is just moving at a real snail's pace. It's only at negative 0.5 pixels per frame velocity. So what we're going to do is we're going to change that velocity. We're going to use the counter pattern. And so we're going to take the sprite.velocity_y and put it here under update sprites, and we want it to be able to change throughout the program. And so we need to make it bubble.velocity_y, and since we're using the counter pattern, we need a plus because we've got to add something to this velocity in order to get it to speed up. So we're going to just make it do a negative 0.05 or negative 0.5. And then we add another bubble.velocity_y. Remember, the counter pattern is you set something equal to itself, and then you add something to it. In this case, we're subtracting something because it's going negative. We want it to go even faster in a negative direction. So once we reset and we run this, it's going to add negative 0.5 as it goes through, and it speeds up the bubble as it rises. And so really that's all you need to do for this one. The one before has a falling rock. It does pretty much the same thing. You just got to use the counter pattern to add to the velocity and get it to go faster as it goes across or up and down the screen. So that kind of completes this this puzzle for the lesson.